Hello, in today's video we are going to show you how to install a UV glass screen protector on your phone by yourself. First, remember to remove any existing screen protectors or films from your phone. Inside this box we have a set of cleaning wipes and special stickers. This, of course, is our 9H hardness tempered glass, from which we'll need to remove the protective film before installation. In this small container there's a special glue required for this type of installation. And here we have a UV lamp with a USB-C connector. We start by thoroughly cleaning our screen with the wet wipe. Next, we use the dry wipe to remove any remaining moisture from the screen surface. Now it's time for an important step. Use the stickers to cover the speaker and key buttons, otherwise the glue might get inside. Use the larger sticker to remove any dust or lint from the screen. Squeeze all the glue from the tube onto the center of the display. Carefully place the glass, aligning it precisely with the edges of your phone. As you can see, the glue spreads nicely across the entire screen surface. Plug the UV lamp into a power source and hold it directly above the glass. Stay over each part of the screen for 15 to 20 seconds. Do the same along the edges. Remove the protective stickers, wipe the screen one more time and you're done. As you can see, the glass works perfectly with the fingerprint sensor. You will find the product link in the description. Thanks for watching and see you next time.